Hi guys, getting to that time of year, so I had a quick look on Thingiverse for Christmas related items. Found a Christmas tree. I did import it into Tinkercad to give it a flat base because I want to be able to stand it up, because the original file had didn't have a flat base. It was for hanging from your tree. That's some of my random short lengths of filament, so it's a bit stringy in that. I think it was a bit too hot for it, because I'm running it on the same temperature that I'm running that orange filament on that I've been having trouble with. That seems to have printed quite nicely though, doesn't it? Apart from the stringiness, which as I understand it will be running it too hot.
Granddad is an old man, Granddad is an old man, Granddad is an old man, Granddad. Granddad, Granddad, Granddad is an old man, Granddad is an old man, Granddad is an old man, Granddad.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.